Lexus 400 RX, no, rx400h is suddenly come smoke from there, from air vent, and very bad smell. I take out the ash, and here I not find nothing where it's with smoke coming, but smell is still coming. Terrible smell. After I search everywhere, under battery, maybe somewhere, I was not sure where coming smoke from, smell. And after searching, I found here, and here, this one, I turn off light. Engine is very hot, and I'm sure it's burning. This smell is coming from Viper engine. Here is light, and no more. Of course, it's heating window, but main reason is this Viper motor, and of course is something in front who controlling this Viper. Here must be some relay or some control unit which controlling this, and it could be that some cables is shorted, and that's why it's heats all the time. This I am not sure, but smell is coming from Viper motor. Lexus. So I disconnected, and smell is stopping. Disconnect connector. Even other side. It's 50 degrees. Very hot. So shorted engine. I'm gonna try drive without this and see what happens. If all good, no more smell, try to get new engine, put it on place and see what happens. This was difficult to find out because smoke is coming there, smell is coming from back. I not understand because where is coming the smoke from I see in front, I smell in back. How it could be? So here is this point, and in front must be some Viper relay or something, which sometime little make smoke.